Hey guys, Jimmy Pikachu Show here. Gonna do a little follow-up. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks since we last checked the status of our Korean squash plants, so we're gonna go take a look at those today. We're gonna kind of ignore the daikon radishes. They're doing well. A lot of pods blooming right now, forming, but we're gonna be checking on the status of our Korean squash today, okay? So let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, this one seems to be doing pretty well, considering it's like in the same section as the perennials. And if you guys remember, well, actually you may not, because I didn't post that, but one of our neighbor's dogs peed on this one, so I'm pretty happy that it's still alive. Perennials, yeah, going a little crazy there. Let's see, we got another smaller one, not much action here. Probably not getting enough nutrients. Alright, let's look at this one. This one is... it's alright. Okay. This one's doing alright, I guess. It's forming. It's getting a little bit bigger. I think it's competing with nutrients with the other perennials, though. So that's probably going to be a problem. There's another one. That one doesn't look like it's doing too good, though. That's sad. Alright, let's take a look at this one. This is like in the front of our yard. Okay, still growing. That's good. Some of these were late bloomers, so the ones that you've seen at first, those are just the ones that I put in last minute because, yeah, I had way too many seeds, so I didn't know what to do with them. Alright. Now, if we go over here, we're going to see a really crazy one here. This one's just getting a little out of hand. You can see how long it's become. But soon you will see something pretty cool. Oh, what the heck is that? Looks like a Korean squash. It's forming really nicely. Looks like it's about 2 to 3 inches right now, at least, in height. So in diameter, it's looking at about 4 inches, maybe 5 inches. But that is going to be one delicious piece of vegetable that we're going to harvest pretty soon. And that's just for one of our plants. You can see here, there's another one that's starting to form. That's pretty cool. Yay! We got something we can harvest now. That's so awesome. Alright. Now, in this jungle here, you can't really see. There's a lot of stuff going on here. But we can see... oh, can you see? Oh my god. There we go. There's another one forming right there. That's pretty cool. This thing, it's like a freaking jungle right now. I don't even know how to handle this. It's crazy. Okay, so there's another one forming there. That's cool to see. Can't wait to have it for dinner. Yeah, this one is just going to be like a big treasure box here. There are 2 plants here, and they're just tangled up all together with all this other vegetation. Pretty crazy. All right, here's another one forming. It's getting there. I think it needs to grow maybe for about another 2 or 3 weeks, and then that one should start producing, hopefully, some awesome Korean squash. Alright, we're gonna go into the depths of the jungle again. Oh my god, I definitely swear I saw one here a day or 2 ago. So let's try and see if we can find it. Where the heck did you go, mister? Oh, I see it, I see it. There's one hiding there. Different shade of color. I don't know if that's good or not. Kind of looks like a cantaloupe color. I don't know if that means it's not good or not, but we will definitely try that one out. Can't let any of these go to waste. So yeah, they're growing, they're forming. That's really cool. All right, anything else going on here that we need to know about? No. And sorry guys, if I'm off angle or something, it's because I'm not doing a really good job with this. Okay. There are one or two here that are lost in all this habitat, so I'm not going to try to risk getting any rashes or anything like that. So let's go on to the next one. This one is getting really big. It's really cool to see the shape of it. Let's see if anything is actually forming. Not quite yet, doesn't seem like it. But very soon, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some good veggies on that one. And this is the one that we have that we just left on in the pot. Never actually took it out. And look at how long it's gotten. It's gotten pretty big, pretty long. The first one that ever grew on here, unfortunately, I think it just rotted away. So that one is just gone. However, as we can see, look at that. There's one forming right there. And there's another one. So we got two on this one right now. Nice. What? Two? Yeah, it looks like there are two right now. So that is pretty neat to see. See if we can get both of them in one shot. There you go. Can you see that? That's pretty cool though. So we're gonna slowly but surely we're getting some veggies right now, guys. And the coolest surprise we have is in the whole weeded section. So I thought I only had one planted here. And you can see here, this one is going crazy right now. And it's kind of hard to navigate with all these other weeds that are around the corner. But this one is going to be probably producing a good amount of veggies sooner or later. Getting an ample amount of moisture, I feel, at least being retained in this area. So this one is alive. And the surprise is there are two other ones here that I guess I completely forgot that I ever put seeds in them. That I put seeds in this area, but they are growing even without me adding water to it. So that's pretty cool. You can see some flowers are already forming. The stem is getting longer. Probably going to be a while before this one starts forming. Sorry, airplane. Just give me a second. Okay. I don't think that's going to get any better right now, but yeah, it's pretty amazing that I put two seeds in here, didn't even attend to them, and they're growing on its own, like naturally. So I think that's really, really neat to see. Where is the other one, though? The other one is here somewhere. Where the heck did I... Maybe it's just dead. I don't know. Oh, here's the other one. Not really in the best health. I assume this one's probably not going to produce anything, which is fine. We got more than plenty that are doing just fine on their own right now. So I will show you the status of them in a few weeks, and hopefully we can do some harvesting. Okay, see you guys later. Bye bye.